This okra and potato vegetable is quick, easy, and bursting with flavor. Hi, you're watching Plating It with Wendy, where I share with you recipes which impress with ease. A vegetable recipe was highly requested, and I'm so excited to share this one with you. So let's get started. To give that nice deep flavor to our Jeerem spice mix, we're going to dry roast the spices. To a heated skillet, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of cumin seeds and give it a head start when roasting. To that, we're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of peppercorns, 1.5 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of cloves, and a 2-inch stick of cinnamon. We're going to dry roast them till we get some color and they turn aromatic. You'll also hear a slight puff coming from the mustard seeds. We're going to cool these spices down just a little bit before we dry grind them. And the aroma that has filled my kitchen right now, it's simply amazing. Just going to spoon it into the jar. I normally make this in bigger quantities and bottle it up so that it's convenient to use whenever I need it. Just going to break this up into some smaller bits. And now for my secret ingredient, I'm going to be adding 10 pods of cardamom to the roasted spices. We're going to cut them down the center and take out the seeds. We're going to toss the cardamom seeds into the jar along with the other roasted spices and finish it off with 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Let's grind this into our spice mix. And this is what you call one aromatic Jeerem spice mix. For this recipe, we're going to be going in with 500 grams of okra. We're going to cut off the head and give it a slit. Make sure not to go right through. We just want it only halfway because you're going to be stuffing these with that nice spice mix that we made. And before you start cutting them, make sure to prep them by washing them and pat drying them. We're going to use 1/2 cup of the Jeerem spice mix, and to that we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just giving it a quick whisk, and now we're going to stuff the okras with the spice mix. Just going to open up the slit that we made and take some of the spice mix and put it into the slit. I'm going to spread it out. And we're going to take another one and repeat. Stuffing the okra is going to help to flavor it throughout. Now that we've finished stuffing the okras, let's leave them aside to marinate while we prepare the potatoes. And we're going to go in with 3 large potatoes, which is approximately 500 grams. Today I'm using yellow flesh potatoes. I'm going to peel them quickly. I've washed them and now we're going to cut them into wedges. This combination of okra and potato is one of my favorites. When cutting the potato, I like to keep the wedges fairly thin. We're going to add the potatoes to a saucepan and fill it with water just above the level of the potatoes. Let's season this with some salt, and on a medium heat, we're going to parboil them for just about 10 minutes. Once you find that the potatoes are halfway cooked, it's time to lift them up, drain off the water, and set them aside in a bowl. Now to layer on some flavor to the potatoes, we're going to fry them. To a heated skillet, let's add about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And we're going to shallow fry the potatoes so they turn crispy and golden on both sides. And now it's time to take them out and place them on a paper towel to absorb any of that excess oil. To add a ton of flavor, we're going to add 1 large onion, which we're going to finely slice. To a deep skillet on a medium heat, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To that, we're going to add our stuffed okras. We're going to season this with salt and give it a quick mix. And we're going to toss in the remaining Jeerem spice mix. We're going to mix this up and saute the okras till they start to get tender. We're going to add in the sliced onions and give it a quick mix so that the onions get coated with the spice mix. Once the onions are cooked down just a little bit, it's time to add in the fried potatoes. Let's gently give this a mix so that all the flavors combine. And to finish it off, we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. Oh my goodness! Now look at that. And now it's time to give this a taste. Wow, the aroma that's coming from this, I can't wait. I'm going to take some okra and some potato. Hey, and before I go, if you enjoy my videos and love my recipes but haven't subscribed already, subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. And while you're at it, hit on that like button and leave me your comments below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.